students, welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshita Kale and today we will learn English. Come on students, let us begin our lesson. Children, today let us learn new thing in English of standard first. That is nothing but alphabets. Yes, dear children, our fifth lesson. Let's learn alphabet. Okay? I hope you know some of the alphabets because you have studied these in your pre-primary section. Right? Then also we will go through each and every alphabet properly. Okay? Let's learn alphabets. Here, dear children, first we have to look and say. First we will go through small letters. You know that there are two types of letters in English. Small letters and capital letters. Right? First we will study about small letters. See, these are small letters. Okay? Now, we will go through each letter. We will spell each letter. Okay? See here, this is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Right? These are called small letters. Okay? Here, tell a word that begins with any letter. Whatever you know, you have to tell the word that should begin with any letter. For example, T for table. Table starts with T, isn't it? T for table or table that begins with T, right? Like that. Bat, that is B. Bat begins with B. Then cat. Cat begins with C, isn't it? Then next one, dog. D for dog, isn't it? D, dog begins with D. Then pen. P for pen or pen begins with P. Then next one is rat. R, R, right? R for rat. Mango. Mango begins with M, isn't it? Orange. O, that begins with O. Orange. Yes. Here you can add some more to this list. Okay. You have to write the alphabet and you have to name or you have to tell a word. Okay. Any things that you know. Look and say. Here we will go through capital letters. Just now we have gone through small letters. अभी capital letters को पढ़ लेंगे. Okay. See, these are called capital letters. Correct? Now we will read these capital letters. See, this is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. 26 alphabets are there in English. Okay. Arrange the following letters in alphabetical order. Okay. Here you have to arrange the given letters in alphabetical order. See here, first one, 4 letters are given, that is D, K, W and A. Right? These 4 letters are there. We have to arrange them in alphabetical order. Yes, dear children, when you stand for the assembly or for the prayer, then from shorter to taller you stand, isn't it? You make a line from short student to tall student. Means there are some orders to follow. Correct? Like that only. Here, see this. It is called as alphabetical order. The places are fixed here. First A and after that B comes. After B, C will be there. And after C, D will be there. You cannot change the places of these alphabets. These are fixed. Got that? Yes. Now, dear children, what is asked here? You have to arrange these given letters according to the alphabets. Yes, I will show you this clearly. Dear children, first we will find these given letters on this alphabetical series. Okay. First one is D. Where is D? Here D. Right? Okay. We will paint this by green color. Okay. Then we need K. See, this is K. Then W. Yes, here it is. Then A. Where is A? First place. Right? Okay. Now here we have written all these letters. They are given, that is A, D, K and W. Right? Now we will go through alphabetical order. See, this is alphabetical order. First A, B, C, D, E, F. Then G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Correct? Now who is first? Yes, A is in first place, so we will write A here. Okay? And after that comes D, so we will write D here. Then comes K, right? Then we will write K here. And last W. Okay, got this, children? According to this order we have to follow. Okay, one more example we will take. See here, S, P, T and C. Okay, again we will write these letters on this alphabetical series. What is that? First S. See here, S. Okay. Then P. Where is P? S. Here it is P. Then T. Here it is T. And where is C? In the first line, C. Come on, tell me now these letters according to the alphabetical order. Very good. First comes C, then in the second line nothing is there, then in the third line then P, then comes S, then last T. Isn't it? Okay, we will write down here. First C, then P, then S, then T. Right? Very good. I hope you understood about the alphabetical order. Right? We have tried here about the small letters. Right? Now we will move to the capital alphabets or capital letters. Okay? Here is the third example. Here we have used capital letters. Now, here it is our alphabetical series. Same thing we will do to arrange these given capital letters into a alphabetical order. Okay? First is E. We will write here E. Then J. Here it is in the second line. B. Again in the first line. Y in the last line. And S in the third line. Right? Now, you have to tell me how to arrange them. Tell me the order of arranging these given alphabets. First, what to write? Yes. B. Yes, very good. We have to write B first because it is in the first line, second word. Then comes E. Correct? Our first line is over. Then we will move to second line. What is there? J is there. Am I right? So we'll write J here. Then we'll move to third line. We got S here. Then last line Y is there. Correct? Our arrangement is over. Right? Now one more example we will take so that it will become very clear for you. Again here the letters given are L, J, B, then X, O. Yeah. Now we have located the given letters in alphabetical series. Correct? Now we will begin to write them in alphabetical order. Come on. In the first line we got B, so we'll write B first. Then in the second line first J is there, then L, right? In the third line there is O, and in the last line there is X. Correct? The arrangement is B, J, L, O, X according to alphabets. Right? I hope you understood this clearly. Right? We'll move further. Yes, here so many children are gathered to play a game. Look at my card and show a matching card. The same letter means here some children they will use capital letters and some children they will use small letters. Okay, we'll see the first line. Yes, these children they are showing capital letters. We will try to read this. This is R, U, L, O, S, A. Isn't it? Means here these children should show them the matching card. That is the cards with small letters. The letter must be same but they should be in small letters. We'll see. Yes, very good. They are showing the small letters and they are matching the cards. Here we can see A in front of A, matched, right? This is capital letter, this is small letter. Very good. Now second one is the card is S, that is capital letter S, and here we can see small letter S. Very good. Both are right. Third place O. Here capital O. Here we can see small o. Very good. Like that Next is capital L. In front of capital L, small l is there. Very good. Now here capital U, small u, right? Then capital R letter, then here small r letter. Very good. Means these all children, they are thorough with the capital letters and small letters like you people, right? Here again one game is there. The name is alphabet game. Stand in a row alphabetically as per the first letter of your name. Yes, here we can see 6 children, they are standing in a line, correct? Anyhow, they are standing. First, we will go through their names. Yes, dear children, please tell me your names. Yeah, she is Abha. Second one is Vivek. Good. Third, Rama. Next is Sunny. Next girl, Dolly. And the last boy name is Parth. Very good. Yes, dear children, you have to make a row or you have to stand in a row according to the alphabetical order. You have to consider only your first alphabet. Here A. In Vivek, V. That is the first alphabet. In Rama, that is R. Sunny, here S. Dolly, D. And Parth, P. Okay? These are the alphabets. Now, they have to make a row according to the alphabetical order. Just now, we have played and we know how to write the given letters in alphabetical order. Right? Same thing, same procedure we have to follow. Or these children will stand, they will change their place and they will stand according to the alphabetical order. We'll see how they will stand. Yes, we know that Abha, she is the first girl. She has to stay in first place because in alphabetical order A comes first, isn't it? Then second place, who is going to take? We'll see. Yes, Dolly. Very good. Second place goes to Dolly. Right? Then after that, third place, who is going to come to third place? I don't know. We'll see. Yes, Parth. Is he right? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Yes, correct. P. After P, O, P, Q, R. Yes, very good, Rama. Then next is Sunny. Nice. And the last boy, Vivek. Very good. Means they are now standing in a alphabetical order. Right? Very good. Class for them. Now, dear children, we will match the small letters with the capital letters. Here you can see small letters in this circle or on the disc, and here you can see capital letters on the disc, right? And you are now became masters in small letters and in capital letters, right? You know all the small letters and you know all the capital letters, correct? Now see this. We will begin to match the small letters with capital letters. The first one is T, right? T, T. Then M, M, correct? Then C, C. Next Q, Q. Next A, A. Last S, S. Right? This is in your textbook. Please take your pencil and match like this. Right? Look and say. Dear children, this is for you. You have to observe this carefully and you have to read this. Okay? Like A, B, B, C, C. Okay? And you know all these 26 pairs. Right? Thank you, dear children. I hope you enjoyed a lot. Isn't it? Please, dear children, then also practice writing small letters and capital letters properly. Okay? Thank you very much for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get new updated videos.